smell-o-vision. I am making some hash browns, or whatever you want to call these. Don't they look amazing? And some onions, and some broccoli, and cauliflower. And this is Brandon's cow. Please don't get upset that it was this is a fresh, we purchased half of a cow. Is that all coming out right? Yes, one of the young men here, one of TJ's friends, actually raise cows for a living. And this is his cow that I purchased for John for, I do believe it was Father's Day. Yeah, half a cow for Johnny D. Oh, everything looks amazing. It was pouring rain here today, and now the sun has come out. Can you see that? The sun came out, and I'm able to barbecue. Oh, doesn't this look amazing? I'm going to add a little adobo to the steak. I let it go for about 5 minutes each side. These potatoes are coming out amazing. John likes them crispy. The onions are for me. And the veggies are for both of us. John doesn't care for onions unless they're onion rings. Go figure. Right? Delish. Rachel Ray says that, right? Delish? Delish. And then I'm gonna top it with, look at that. Oh, isn't that, oh, look at that. Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy. Amazing. Yep, loving this Blackstone grill. Can't believe how warm it got today. It's amazing. It's beautiful out. Beautiful. Backyard. Let's see. No bear. No deer. Can you smell it? Yep. And then I'm going to add this here marinade on the top of it when we're like a minute left in it. And we like our steaks medium so they won't take too long. All right, everybody, I'll be back. Okay, you get the bigger one, John. What do you think of the glaze?
It looks great. I may not even need a kitchen.
Yeah. Okay, so here we have broccoli and cauliflower. Onions are in the middle for me, and potatoes are on the end for you.
I'll have some onions.
You will?
Sure.
Okay. Look at how gorgeous this came out. Look at that. Potatoes should be nice and crunchy for you. Do you want a spoon?
Yeah, I'm good.
Johnny, you're a little hot?
I'm sweating my ass off.
Sorry, guys.
I'm cutting a tree up.
No cursing.
Okay.
All right, everybody. That's Johnny's plate. What do you think, babe?
Very good, dear.
Come on, take a bite.
Excellent job. Oh, I got time for that.
I just wanted you to take a piece of the steak.
Oh, my God. It's going to be like all those commercials on TV. This is the best steak.
Oh, just be honest, you goofball.
It really is good. Very good.
All right, everybody. You heard it from the king. All right.
Very tasty.
Thanks for watching. See you real soon. Bye. I love how you guys do this. Where's Deb and Charlie? Hi, babies. Why is that one giving you such a hard time?